what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sade. If you're new, if you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today we're doing a hair video. This video is sponsored by ULAHAIR. Thank you so much to ULAHAIR for sponsoring this video. It is their 24-inch glueless wig. All the details to the unit will be in the description box down below. This wig was so perfect. It was my first time trying a glueless unit. You just pop this on. So for all my busy girlies that gotta be on the go, work is demanding, your life is just a little demanding, still want to rock a bomb wig, this is definitely the best unit for you. This wig came pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked. You couldn't ask for anything more. If you want to see how I installed the hair and achieve this look, definitely stick around.
My neck, my back, so butter rip brown. My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so butter rip brown. Oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, 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 my back. Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. Oops, there goes my coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. Oops, there goes my black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you 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 black. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy down, pow, pow, slip on it, yes, let's turn it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it, I'ma bust it open, go stupid and be bits of it. I don't date honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he needs the bunny, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile goes to Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty. Ass bring me a job, nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag 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 it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Well, I'm the dope boy, the one they talking about. All these gunsman ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month, cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and you bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short, we won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
So guys, this is the finished product of the hair. I am in love. I'm in love. And I'm obsessed, like no joke. I remember straightening this hair and I was just like, this feels so good. I can't wait to install it. Like I had the hair straightened for about 2 days and every time I passed the wig, I just like run my fingers through it. Like it felt so good. Absolutely no shedding, nothing. Like this is the best straight hair that I've ever had. And I might have said that in the voice over already, but I had to come and say it again because it, chef's kiss. ULAHAIR did their damn thing with this unit. I'm not even gonna lie. It's so good. And I feel like the baby hairs are cool. I feel like when I'm filming, I like the baby hair. But I just went and looked in the mirror. I'm just like, I could have done without them. Or I probably thinned them out a little bit more. So later on, not today though, but I think I'm gonna go back in later and just like thin them out a bit to give them like a less dramatic look. But we're here to talk about the hair. It's so good, y'all. Best straight hair I've ever had. No freaking cap. I'm not being paid to say this or anything. And y'all know I'm not about to come on here and lie to y'all, but this wig literally gets a 20 out of 10. No freaking cap. From the construction of it, and it has the band. The cap of it is the 3D dome, so it's breathable. The cap of it is breathable. It's definitely for the summertime. It has space between so your hair can breathe, like, you know, so it's not that hot, because we all know it's hot outside right now. But this, oh my gosh, and all its glory, all the detail to this unit will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. This was supposed to be a voiceover, but like I had to come and just like explain it for myself in the moment on the day when I'm actually filming this and not waiting till the voiceover, because y'all don't understand. Like it feels so good. I wish y'all could feel it. I wish I could feel it. I don't know if this is doing it any justice, y'all, but when I say this hair is beautiful, it is so nice. ULAHAIR, you did your big one with this unit. I am not even gonna lie. Thank you for sponsoring today's video.